So we're at Fred Meyer. I've never been here before, but I was driving by and I saw they have a nursery. They have 2-inch succulents, assorted ones for $1.99. Lowest price I've ever seen. Ever. They have tons of them, so run and come get them. They have the Shrek ears. Some of them have bloomed. Some of them have pretty colors. And then they have the tropical plants, palm trees for $29.99 for the assorted ones, $20 for the palm trees. And there's me. They have horrible quality on their camera. My camera's better than theirs. Or maybe that's just what they want you to think. Basic tropicals, $19.99. Plant reduced 50% off. So they have clearance plants. They definitely look a little damaged, but the ficus are on sale. 10-inch philodendron. I don't know what that means, like which size of which ones are 10-inch, so it must be these are $20. I'm assuming these are all of the indoor plants they have. Have some hanging begonias. Some palms. I don't think I got over here. I think I saw this ficus, burgundy ficus, and then one on the other side. Let's take a... So I found a really cool thing here. They have these green nursery pots, and they have saucers, like really sturdy saucers. And then they have the pots, really big sizes, good prices. And then I saw these. They're on sale now because I think today's Easter, so time for them to leave. But I was thinking of getting one of those and putting a hanging, like trailing plant inside, but I think I want something a little cheaper. $8 is still a little too much for me. I did find some succulents, but they are still being incubated. And it's not a Christmas cactus. Here's some reduced plants. All outdoor plants, and then they do have lots of different like saucers, plant mats. There's like tons of plant accessories here. Let's just keep looking. Oh, this is so cute. No, how cute is that? Kids watering stuff. Whenever I'm shopping like in the big box stores, I always see parents with their kids. I know you can get them accessories and they're half price. Buy one, get one, half price. I wanted to look at these. These are huge. These are huge. Oh my gosh. That's perfect. If only I had a top, I'd get that. Oh, it has a drainage, huh? They have so much gardening stuff. Buy one, get one half price. Accessories. I like this. I think it's real cute. Plastic saucers right there by price and size. I found some hanging planters, so that's where we're headed to now. They're right over here. This might be a more promising selection of plants. Maybe they even have a plant collection over here. I'm not sure. $14.99 for 8-inch plants. Hoya Australis means I just got a new plant. They have tons of those. I'm excited, you guys. I found my Hoya. But they have spider plants, Transcantias, ferns, Hoya Australis. I don't know who that is right there, but he's here too. Oh, almost touched it. Here's some type of cactus. But yeah. Very cute for $14.99. And I found some more plants over here. They seem to have urban jungle planters. At Fred Meyer, we see philodendrons, or is that a fern? That's some type of fern. To the right in the center, we see a philodendron. for $22.99. Philodendron Red Congo. Raven ZZ, a little fiddle. Dracaena and snake plants. Ooh, look at this one. Oh, there's a guy behind me. And some more Raven ZZs. Those look nice too. They're $14.99. So all of the like select house plants are $14.99. I know, I saw it. I seen it when you was in the bathroom. Lots of ZZs, some bamboos, some type of Dracaena that has pink variegation, string of pearls. Really cute.
Hoyas.